So I bought a hard drive, but I don't have any more base to put it in. Good thing I bought something else to go along with it. Hi guys, Angelo here. Okay, so I recently bought another hard drive because I needed the expansion to put some of my family videos in. Basically what I have right now is no 3.5-inch base space, but I do have a couple of extra 5.25 base in front of my case. I have my Blu-ray player on the bottom there, and I actually have one of these already I bought from before, so I'm adding a new one. So basically what it is it's an adapter that lets you put either a 3.5 or 2.5 SSD hard drives basically on your 5.25 in the front. It does come with the necessary screws from BYTECC or BYTECC. So all you basically need to do is get a screwdriver. Let's go ahead and install it. And let's go start screwing. There, see, it's pretty secure. We can just go ahead and slide it right in the middle of the two base I have on there. Now I didn't use the one on the very top on my RX XL because I have a 360 rad on top there. The next thing we need to do is just screw the sides in, and again with the screwdriver and with the screws that are provided, and you're pretty much done. Again, it's a hard drive mounting bracket from BYTECC or BYTECC. Thanks guys for watching the video. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave it below. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like the product or if you hate the video. And don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you soon.